My name is Linda Grosser, and I'm Administrative Director at Boston University's Clean Energy and Environmental Sustainability Initiative, which we lovingly call CEESI. So the objective of CEESI is to bring together faculty and students from across the university, from different colleges and different disciplines. We feel like this is a really unique opportunity for Boston University, having such a wide variety of disciplines and the opportunity to bring together unique solutions to a very challenging problem of our century, and that is, what's going to impact and create a cleaner energy and more sustainable world.
We are also trying to involve people with skills on the environment and climate science, and people with skills in finance, in organizations and so on, and human behavior. That's as important, we feel, as technological breakthroughs which engineers are looking at. And we try to integrate all of these in a systems sort of approach.
So from a scientific perspective, many of the activities that we do emit carbon into the atmosphere, and carbon is one of the gases that's really driving the change in climate. Carbon is this invisible gas, and you really don't know when you're emitting carbon, either directly when you drive your car or when you buy a salami sandwich as opposed to a peanut butter sandwich. So we're here today to try and give people an idea of how their activities connect to carbon emissions.
The smart neighborhood is really intended to be a research environment where we want to think of it as a living lab, a lab where we can put the human in the loop and understand how the energy systems, the environmental systems interact with and interplay with human activity.
It's a chance really to go grassroots, to go right down to the citizens, the business owners, the people that live in these neighborhoods, and understand the issues that are important to them. I mean, everybody gets it at a high level why it's important to have a smarter city, a smarter building, a smarter neighborhood. But where do you start? What are the compelling issues? What makes this something that makes people really want to engage in? What type of information can we provide them to improve the quality of their life, to lower their carbon footprint? So what are the good starting points, if you will? This is the opportunity and place to find that out.
We have great technology. We have sensors that can measure how many watts our devices in our homes are using. But all of that has not a lot of worth if the people that live in the community aren't aware of and looking at that information and being able to change behavior based on that information.
The biggest challenge is getting people aware, or making people aware of how their actions, how their decisions really affect the amount of carbon they emit. Because for most people it's not something they think about, it's not something they see, but yet if they had an idea of what they were doing, they might make different and hopefully better environmental choices.
So when I think of a smart neighborhood, it's really a combination of smart sensors, smart data networks, but also the community actually plugged in and involved and aware of that information so that they can make those kinds of changes.